Golf Foundation was formed in the year 2000. We are doing great work and winning a lot of accolades in India and worldwide. When a few like-minded golfers got together to help the underprivileged kids, and 25 years, like they say, rest is history. We've got kids who are winning in the Indian national circuit. They're winning on Asian, European, and even world level. So currently we have 2 European Junior Championships titles, and we have 6 World Junior Championship titles. And the professionals are winning on the Indian PGTI Tour, they're winning on the Asian Development Tour, on the Asian Tour, and even playing on the European Tour. So sky is the limit for them, and in 25 years, I think we've really gone with leaps and bounds. We've really progressed. We've got the highest award from the President of India called Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar, which is the highest award for promotion of sports. This event is actually the Silver Jubilee year of the foundation. We were founded in 2000. And this year, I think we made close to 3.2 crores in this tournament. So thanks to the various sponsors, the oil companies, etc., who've contributed and supported. And we've got the minister coming himself, Honorable Hardeep Puri ji.
I've known for the last quarter century that he's been promoting golf for the underprivileged sections of our society. And that has won my admiration. I've been saying it openly. So all I can say is I don't need to be inspired. I mean, when he said, can you come? I readily said yes. Inherent need to promote golf is one level. But to take it to the members who are the part of the underprivileged sections of society, I think is even more admirable. And that's the event here.
I met Mr. Amit Luthra at an event, and that's where we got talking, and he told me about the Golf Foundation. It's when I realized that golf is considered such an exclusive sport. It's considered a privilege. And the Golf Foundation is making it inclusive. It's making it available to everyone. And that's where I felt a little connected to the sport, because I've never played golf in my life. And that's when I realized that such an effort and dedication for 25 years has been put in, and shaping so many young children's bright futures. I've seen one young one, 10-year-old play right now, and it was so heartwarming. And that's when I realized to be a part of it, because inclusivity is in our core as Indians, I would say.
You see, normally when you play any tournament, it's a individual format. One person is playing. If he spoils one hole, then it's virtually game over. So what we do is we have a partnership. And even in the partnership, we say it's a better ball. So it's called a scramble, Texas Scramble, where you take the best ball every time you hit. And that way, even if one partner is messing up, the other guy can support him. And more so on 18 holes, we got at least 14 holes. There are separate prizes for each skills on each hole. So even if you don't win the overall, you can end up winning 10, 12, 13, 14 skills prizes, which are ranging from 1,500 rupees to maybe 6,000 rupees per hole. So there's a lot of stuff going around. The goodie bag is great, and the prizes are with, Imperial Hotel. They're giving presidential suites worth lakhs of rupees, dining vouchers, tickets, etc., gift vouchers. So there's a huge amount of things. Even from Havells, we're getting appliances, white collar goods are coming in, and everybody stands to benefit.